All right, this one here is a real quickie for you folks. I got my XPA125B amp from Xiegu from another ham. So I got it secondary, and the cable came like this, and I thought it was just the way the other ham did it, but it turns out this is the way that they are on a couple of them. And a real quick pro tip that I have for you is to twist these up, because this really bugged me that it was able to just be separated like that, as opposed to most cables that come factory glued together, whatever that's called, paired. So we just twist this up a little bit, and it won't cause any harm to your electrical current flowing in, and there's actually a slight possibility that it might cause a benefit, but nothing that we really even care to notice that it would be a benefit. So I'm just twisting this thing around here like this, and when it gets all the way down the end is when we want to put the power poles together. And once they are together, it will not come undone anymore. So there we go. Now I have a manageable, clean, non-snaggable, non-separatable power cord. I think there's another video right over here that you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. Hope you enjoyed this TO tip.